Go.
Welcome guys to my channel. My name is Shrais. I am here with Ayushman and today we are simply coding and
And
Ayushman will
welcome back to my channel, guys. So I am Ayushman. Today we will be coding with Srayas and we will be giving a tutorial on writing and reading files
files.
in
Ayushman will
Python.
do writing and I will do reading. So let's create a new file in VS Code here. So first let's also create an folder so that and all the files are in the description, you could find them out. So let's create a new folder about it. Folder name will be what should we write? Read and write py. So this
So
is
here we
basically
will be
on
storing like
Python.
all the things required for our project.
Yup. So now I will go back to my VS Code and click file, open folder, and open that folder that I just made. Appendix E. Yup. Select folder.
So he selected it and now they will give all Python will give all options like you
Yeah.
want a new file in this and all.
Read.py. We're gonna make it py because it is an
He's
Python
going to
file.
read.
So now guys, we have to import nothing. Instead, just type some simple codes to read in file.
Because Python has it inbuilt that you can read right
Yup.
with Python.
Yeah. So here we could do f for file. So f equals open the file name. So here we have to put the file name as text.txt. You could do any find. Here I will just type hello world. So you could just type anything. Open, we have to first give the file name and that is text.txt and we will open it as read mode and then f underscore read equals f dot read, and this will keep the data that I have readed, and then we're gonna do f dot close, so it will close the file. Next we're gonna do
Close is
uh,
really not required, guys, but to
yeah,
like to free up your memory, you do it after it.
yeah. And also one problem is closing, like you can't again read and write the file, like again if you do close it will give an error. We
So we
have
do print before close because
you
after
could
close we can't do operations.
no because no you could also do because we are saving it in f underscore read and that's a variable.
Oh, then it closes it, so it's obviously
Yeah,
stored in fread
yeah.
permanently.
So as you can see, it readed hello world. You could type anything here. Hello world, Srayas, made by
Type a
Srayas.
million characters, it will still come. It's the
Yeah,
logic.
Srayas and Ayushman. A Y Ayushman. So I will show you. Just run the code. Yeah, it's so simple. So now let's just type. For example, you want to do this on your second screen, like second line. So you have to just copy that and just paste that, and let's see how this works. See, it just reads the lines. That's so easy. So you could just make everything like this, and you could just print it. This is so easy to do, and you could also print it in like any other color, like Colorama, using Colorama and all those like that. So this was the small code, and I will give this code in link in the description if you want, if you can do.
Yeah, guys, check out our GitHub also. I have a
Yup.
GitHub, guys. So now,
So now after this, Ayushman will continue. So I will head over to Ayushman. Bye
yes,
bye. Yeah, start again.
yo guys, welcome back, and I am going to teach you today writing files in Python. As after Srayas did reading, it's basically the same, but you get it from the meaning. What's the difference? Reading, I'm reading a book. Another, I'm writing a book. So writing, I add things to the book. Reading, I'm just putting the things in my mind. Right,
Yep.
Shreyas?
Yes.
So like now we are going to go to the VS Code, and since I already, you need a folder because we are putting a file inside this and the Python file. So I already have one. You can just go make one and open it as a folder in VS Code. So let's go here and click inside this writing files. We have this option new file. Let's make it for first as this writing.py. Yes, so we have a Python folder here. We are going
And we
to,
have to also create a text file in it.
and we have to put a text file because we are writing.
Yeah, yeah.
Writing or
We could
reading, we obviously need a
automatically
text
also
file.
put in text file.
New file in it. We're going to make it as the
Text.txt.
it's like a notebook where I'm writing. So notebook dot txt. Make sure these ending txt py are very important here.
Yeah, because txt is
I
actually
can't make
like a
txt as,
form of a text file.
yeah, text. I can't make txt as py.
Yeah.
So like here, let's type. Let's just type a yo. Let's just type a y s h m a n. My name. Oh my god, I just typed it triple A.
Yeah.
Yeah. So suppose, who care? Anyways, anything can be write or read. So now it's the Python time. So in here, we
And
first,
warning guys, please do not try on important files on this
don't try
because
this on important files. It could
yeah,
wipe out the whole thing.
yeah,
So
because in
just be
important
careful.
files equal to reading, but that is not also great on reading because some files like some
Reading is
Python,
fine because you can't make changes to it.
yeah, but some
But you
files
can do this
will
at
have
your own
errors.
precaution.
Yeah, if
So
you're
let's
doing
start.
writing, it just wipes all things and writes new things.
So for starters, we have to store our whole file in a variable. Let's make it fp1 equal to open. It's a function, so bracket notebook. Oh, oops! I have to put these strings. Notebook
.txt.
because it's the txt file simply. I am
And
doing notebook.txt only because it's in my Python. I made this inside my Python. If it's outside, you have to put the whole
directory of it.
directory or
Place
location.
where it is
So
in like
now
C
here
slash something like that.
we have to put like if we want it as reading or writing. So technically we want it as writing. So we can like add new things to it and all. So now we can write things to it by doing since the whole thing is stored in fp1, we have to use the dot operator to access like the methods
Yeah.
dot write.
fp1 dot write.
This function can
And
write
inside
anything
that,
into your file.
yeah, let's make it as input. So it
Look,
could
so no, first let's just actually, so it's Ayushman. Let's just take out let's, yeah, I whatever. So okay, so suppose I am okay dash, what do you want? So you write here great. So suppose in
but
here,
the problem here is it will remove all the things. So you have to write the whole thing like I am great. That's
and
the
you know
problem.
why? Look, suppose we yes, save it and then run the program. Obviously nothing will come here. Oh, oops. Control S. I have to run Python file. Yeah, it will take a bit time the first time. Oh, can you go fast? Yeah, I did it. So technically, if I go here, I'll see grade. But why I only see grade?
Because
There is
because what
another thing.
actually happens here is when
It actually
open,
removes everything and
yep,
writes again. If we want to do make have the I
if we
am,
like see
we have to
like
append it.
yeah, but
Append.
if we see like from the actual thing what is happening is it is overwriting the file means
Yeah,
he
it's
is doing,
deleting everything, and that's why we
yeah,
told you at the beginning, don't try this on important files.
yeah,
So we make this append. We append things like add, like I am plus grade.
yeah,
It's not math, but guys, it's just basic. Append. Now if I do, if fp1 dot append,
you have to actually edit the notebook thing.
I have to make it.
I am.
Yeah. fp1 dot write, not append. So
Right.
control S, and if I run it, yeah, so it ran. I am great. So as
Yeah.
you see, I put it as A. It doesn't delete everything and overwrite the program, the text file. It
Not
adds it.
exactly overwrite, it adds the text in
It
it.
just adds the text here. It doesn't
Yeah.
overwrite like how we did last time.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is like all for writing a text file. And thanks for watching, guys. And see you next
We
time.
will meet you on the next video.
We'll see you next time. Goodbye.